ମୋତେ ଗାଧୋଇବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. ମୁଁ ଥଣ୍ଡା ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି। I am feeling cool. I am feeling cool. ଖାଲି ପାଦରେ ଚାଲ ନାହିଁ। Don't walk barefoot. Don't walk barefoot. ମୁଁ ମେ ମାସରେ ଜନ୍ମ ହୋଇଥିଲି। I was born in May. I was born in May. ତାଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରବଳ ଜ୍ୱର ହୋଇଛି। She has high fever. She has high fever. ମୁଁ ସକାଳ 5ଟାରେ ଯିବି। I will go at 5 a.m. I will go at 5 a.m. ଆଜି ରବିବାର। It is Sunday today. It is Sunday today. ଆଜି ରବିବାର କି? Is it Sunday today? Is it Sunday today? ଆଜି ରବିବାର ନୁହେଁ। It is not Sunday today. It is not Sunday today. ଗତକାଲି ରବିବାର ଥିଲା। It was Sunday yesterday. It was Sunday yesterday. ଗତକାଲି ରବିବାର ଥିଲା କି? Was it Sunday yesterday? Was it Sunday yesterday? ଆସନ୍ତାକାଲି ସୋମବାର ହେବ। It will be Monday tomorrow. It will be Monday tomorrow. କାଲି କେଉଁ ଦିନ? Which day is tomorrow? Which day is tomorrow? ଗତକାଲି କେଉଁ ଦିନ ଥିଲା? Which day was yesterday? Which day was yesterday? ଆଜି କେଉଁ ଦିନ? Which day is today? Which day is today? କାଲି ଛୁଟି ହେବ। It will be holiday tomorrow. It will be holiday tomorrow. ଆସନ୍ତାକାଲି ସୋମବାର ହେବ। It will be Monday tomorrow. It will be Monday tomorrow. ଆଜି ନଭେମ୍ବର 19 ତାରିଖ। It is 19 November today. It is 19 November today. ମୁଁ ଚାହେଁ ତୁମେ ଜିତିଯାଅ। I want you to win. I want you to win. ମୁଁ ଚାହେଁ ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଅ। I want you to go there. I want you to go there. ମୁଁ ଚାହେଁ ତୁମେ ପଢ଼। I want you to study. I want you to study. ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି ସେ ଜିତି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। I wanted him to win. I wanted him to win. ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଅ। I wanted you to go there. I wanted you to go there. ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି ତୁମେ ପଢ଼। I wanted you to study. I wanted you to study. ମୋତେ ହେକୁଟି ଆସୁଛି। I am getting hiccups. I am getting hiccups. ମୁଁ ଶପଥ କରୁଛି କି ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହୁନାହିଁ। I swear I am not lying. I swear I am not lying. ଏହା ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ। It is not good for us. It is not good for us. ଏହା ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ। It is not good for you. It is not good for you. ଡେରି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଜାଗ ନାହିଁ। Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. ତୁମେ ମୋର ମନ ଖରାପ କରିଦେଲ। You spoiled my mood. You spoiled my mood. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ତୁମେ ମୋ ଠାରୁ ଦୂରେ ରହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ। I know you want to stay away from me. I know you want to stay away from me. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ଏହା ହେବ। I knew it would happen. I knew it would happen. ହାର ମାନ ନାହିଁ। Don't give up. Don't give up. ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କଠାରୁ ଅଧିକ ସୁନ୍ଦର। You are more beautiful than her. You are more beautiful than her. ଘରେ ସମସ୍ତେ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି? How is everyone in the house? How is everyone in the house? ଘରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି। Please comment this sentence.